No, no, no. In the manager. So you need to search employee number in the MGR column 7839 from EMP number. I mean, from this column. So you selected this one, right? 7839. 7839. Search that 7839 in MGR column.
Okay.
Is there any records? Yes. Hmm. Just type. Hmm. So actually, my task is how many employees are being assigned for each manager.
Huh.
Okay. So for example, this 7839, right? 7839 under him, how many employees are working? So this is my task. Yes. So yes. So can you guys, anyone tell me how to write this query? Just think. So you need to use aggregate function. How many means what? Count, correct? How many and number of those are count. So you need to use a count function. So you need to count what employees.
Okay.
Yes. So MGR, comma. So in the select query, Bharat, comma, count of employee number. Count. No, no, no. Count of means open bracket. Yes. Count. No. Count. First you need to use a count.
Oh,
Count. Open bracket. Employee number. Close. Yes. From EMP table. Hmm. So if you execute this, you will get a record, right? No. Why? Tell me. Correct. Group by. You need to use a group by. So without using group by, you will get error. Okay, if you want, you can execute this. You will execute. See, it will throw error. MGR, right? So now go to the next line. Enter group by. Yeah, group by. Which column we need to use? Correct. MGR manager. Now run this. Hmm. Now you can see, right? The one you see null, right? So he will be a CEO. He is a CEO. So other than him and the remainings are managers. So now, so there will be one more task. Under, I mean, you got to know. So these many employees are working under each manager. But now the new task is I need to find out maximum employee. You can see right at third row.
yes.
Third row is the maximum employees working under him. So you need to find out, you need to write a query where maximum employees are working under which manager.
Okay.
Yes. Can you try? Here you need to use uh, one more query. Hmm? Yes. First, go to the outer query. No, you first come to the second line. No, no. Second line in the sense, first out,
Yes, sir.
full outer query, full outer. I mean, there is a space between first and second query, right? No, above second line. Yes. Huh. So here, just select, right? Select, hmm, select max, maximum, open bracket. Yes. One more thing, Bharat. So come to the count uh, function. So you need to specify alias name for this. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
So come to the last, I mean closing bracket, last as this should be number of rows, or else you can give any name.
I'm fine.
You can give any
Hmm.
name, or else just count. Yeah, you can give just CNT. Ah,
Hmm.
then in the group by rate, you need to specify the MGR. I think it is deleted. Hmm. Yes, MGR. Now come to the max. Yeah, come max. Max of what? Which column you need to take in the maximum count? CNT. So you need maximum number, right? So CNT. Just type CNT. Close bracket. Yes. From. Yes. Open bracket again. Yeah. Come to the last group by MGR. Close. Hmm. Can you execute this? Starting from what is there incorrect near? Okay, you need to give alias. Sorry, alias name for the table. So after the closing bracket, right, in the MGR, I mean group by, give some alias name as a. Yeah. In the maximum, right, you need to give a dot cnt. Huh. Now execute. See maximum. Okay. So now can you execute only the inner query? In, yes. Can anyone tell me how these two queries are executing? Just try. I will explain you guys. First, in the subquery, right? In the subquery, we are uh, taking the count of employees by each manager. Correct? Now, so in the outer query, we are taking only the maximum count. Okay, maximum count, but you need manager name also, right? But in the outer query, we are getting only maximum name, maximum count. Correct? Okay,
Yeah.
this is clear, right? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So, but the thing here is, so you need to take a max of count. Okay, there are two aggregated functions here. So first we are counting again. After counting again, we are taking the maximum. Okay, so there are two aggregate functions, and you cannot aggregate two functions at a time. You need to use subqueries or inner query to execute two or more aggregated functions, something like this. Okay, and you already know you cannot use aggregate functions in where clause. Okay, this is clear, right? Yeah. Okay, then let's find out a manager ID for that particular count. So we have five right now.
Hmm.
So we need to take a manager name for that five. Okay. Now first go to the first statement. Statement. Yes. No, first statement means employee. Star. Yes. Just a second. So yes. So here we need to take the maximum count with this one. Okay. Yep. So in the select statement, remove that star. Use mgr, ename, and mgr. Ename, I don't think ename will work. So no, just remove that ename. Hmm. Comma. You can copy this mgr and um count of employee number from
Yes.
inner query. Yes. Copy both. Yes. Copy it. Go to the outer query and paste it. Again, you need to give alias name for this employee. Here we are using CNT, right? Now you can give as a C uh, as EMP CNT. Hmm. Now again, after the from right in the first statement, yes, employee after the employee, click enter. Again, you need to use a group by what? Again manager, MGR. See again, here you will get what? Uh, Manage